Want to know a secret right now? All around you, animals are getting busy. They're building homes, searching for food, and raising their young, all of which affects the health of the ecosystem they live in. But somehow we humans don't seem to notice that animals like beavers, wolves, and even blue whales affect the very air we breathe and the water we drink. Wolves do, too. When wolves hunt, they tend to kill off the sickest or oldest animals first. That means healthier, younger, prey animals are more likely to survive and reproduce. And when a wolf kills its prey, it doesn't eat everything. We humans have the power to affect ecosystems, too, and while we can sometimes do harm, like when we pollute the water or release invasive species into the wild, we can also be a force for good. When we protect habitats, restore ecosystems, and make more sustainable choices, we can help ensure a healthy planet for generations to come. It might leave some organs behind, which provides a meal for other animals like foxes and coyotes. It might just be one small part of a much larger, more complex system than we can even imagine. That's all for now. See you next time. In this way, wolves help keep the entire ecosystem thriving. In fact, we ignore how our own behavior affects the environment. As they swim around, they eat tons of krill and poop out the shells, providing a habitat for tiny fish. And when they die, their bodies sink to the bottom of the ocean and decompose. The nutrients in their decaying flesh fertilize the water around them, creating a bloom of phytoplankton provides food for tons of other marine organisms. But if we could just take a moment to appreciate the interconnected web of life on Earth, we could learn how to become better environmental stewards. Take beavers, for example. These furry little ecosystem engineers spend up to 22 hours a day on their favorite activity. As they chomp on grasses and leaves, they inadvertently spread seeds through their poop. This helps plants disperse and grow, benefiting other animals that eat those plants. And when beavers build dams, they create wetlands that provide homes and food for all sorts of creatures. In fact, one study found that beaver dams can increase the amount of carbon stored in an ecosystem by 380%. That's because when beavers fell trees, they create woody debris that eventually decomposes and turns into charcoal. That's super helpful at storing carbon for a really long time. But it's not just beavers that affect the health of an ecosystem. And blue whales, the largest animals on planet Earth, play a critical role in the health of the ocean. So, from the tiniest phytoplankton to the largest whale, every organism plays a role in the health of our planet. So next time you see an animal doing its thing, take a moment to appreciate its behavior.